bow star. I've got a coloured, that are going to be my star legs, and a white background. And you're making half square triangles. So corner to corner. I've got a blue chalk pencil here, should show up all right. And then sew on either side of the line 1/4 of an inch, and I'll come back to you when I've done that. Right, I have done 2 of my pattern squares and 2 of the background squares, and I'm now going to, I've sewn either side of my diagonal line about 1/4 of an inch, and I'm now going to slice them up. I aren't going to bother to trim them to size or anything, because I'm going to be turning these half square triangles into 1/4 square triangles. So you can see that's the half square triangles. I might press these back a bit so they're nice and crisp. But once I've pressed them back, I shall put them so coloured sides will be opposite. So coloured side there, this coloured side is here, and then I'll draw a line down it diagonally, so 1/4 of an inch on both sides, and I'll do that to both of them, and then I'll show you. Right, I have now sewn them, as you can see. It's going to be a half 1/4 square triangle. 1/4 square triangle. Say that if you can. So now I'm just going to separate them straight down my line, and then I'll be pressing them back again. Right, trimming these up. It's not a very good match in the middle, but what the hell. Right, I'm trimming these to 3.5 inches. If you get your ruler on it, if you happen to have one of these 45-degree lines like me, line it up and pull it back until your top line lines up at 3.5 exactly on the diagonal, and you want this one down here, so you've got 3 points to look at. And when that's right, should have shown you on the other one, because as you see, my points were very good on the other one. But that's 2 sides done at 3.5. You've got to do all 4 sides, or you're going to end up with the middle of the hourglass slightly to one side. So now we've done the first side, 3.5 inch line up, top diagonal line, the 3.5 inch marks, and cut. And now all we've got to do is sew it together as a 9 patch. So I've got 3.5 inch background squares in the 4 corners. We have the hourglasses with the colour facing outwards all the time, and they were trimmed to 3.5 inches, and the middle square is 3.5 inches. So we just sew the top row together, middle, bottom, and then sew the lot together. And then I'll show you when that's done. So there is the Ohio store. As you can see on the back, the top row, I press the seams out, in for the middle row and out for the bottom row, and they wanted to go that way themselves, and then I've just pressed both the joining seams open there, and that's the Ohio store. Some of the points are slightly off, some of them are dead on. It's a good day if some of your points match. Thank you. Bye.